If I had to save $500 in just 30 days, starting with absolutely nothing, here's exactly what I'd do. At first, that number sounds impossible, right? $500 in 1 month? But the trick isn't finding one big solution. It's combining a few small wins. Think about it. $500 over 30 days works out to about $17 a day. Still sounds like a lot, but don't worry. You don't have to earn or save all $17 from one place. First, I check every subscription and recurring bill. Streaming services, apps, memberships, the stuff you forgot you were even paying for. Most people can easily free up $30 to $80 a month without changing their lifestyle. Next, I'd make one simple rule. Wait 24 hours before buying anything that's not essential. It's amazing how many things you realize you don't actually need. Every purchase you skip goes straight into your savings. Then I'd look for one extra income source. Sell things collecting dust at home, pick up a weekend side job, or work a little overtime. Even an extra $100 or $150 can make a huge difference. And here's the most important part. I'd set up an automatic transfer into a separate savings account. Even $5 or $10 a day adds up fast. And because it's automatic, you don't have to rely on motivation. When you put all of these together, cutting subscriptions, avoiding impulse purchases, earning a little extra, and saving automatically, $500 in 30 days suddenly feels realistic instead of impossible. Give it a try for 1 month, and come back to tell me how much you saved. And if you want more simple money-saving challenges like this, don't forget to subscribe